It's on my finger again.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Where is it?
My nose is bleeding.
Is it serious?
Uh-oh.
Here's my fingers.
Your finger stabbed my nose and it's bleeding now.
Prove it.
It is?
Look inside.
Let's see your Miss Sabrina's mustache, shall we? Hey, Mariah.
Uh-oh. I'm gonna test you.
That was snot all over her pants. Let me see that.
That was real. We'll get a tissue.
That was disgusting. You got a line of snot all over your jeans.
Didn't have any tissues.
There's only one thing to do. You sick bastard. I meant wipe it on the seat.
That just made me gag.
Fuckers.
I can watch it now. That's nasty.
You're a douche.